one of the reasons why we're actually doing this reunion concert is because we were inspired by the Sex Bomb. To be honest, I think hindi mawawala yung comparison eh. It will always be there. But, kasi we don't actually need, or we don't see that we need to be compared to each other, because one of the reasons why we're actually doing this reunion concert is because we were inspired by the Sex Bomb. Yung Sex Bomb, the SB group, they're actually good friends of everyone. So when they found out that we were having this reunion concert, actually they already sent a congratulatory message to the group. Yeah. So comparison, yes, we will be compared, but yun nga eh, our concert will be different in such a way that, like what we said earlier, we want to showcase the celebration of the 23 years of friendship. And this is not just an ordinary concert. It's going to be an experience for everyone. Ipaparamdam namin sa lahat na ito yung Viva Hot Babes. This is what we've gone through throughout these years. This is what we've achieved. This is the years of friendship that we built, and everyone's gonna feel that all throughout, especially through the end of the concert.
Mas lalo akong tumatanda. Hindi. Siyempre nakakatuwa kasi nga, we can't help but reflect on all those years and yung naabot namin as a group. We still see our songs sa mga karaoke bars. Sa mga probinsya, tinutugtog pa rin pag isang pagbibisita ako sa isang probinsya, patutugtugin, para lang marinig namin. So nakakatuwa. And the fact that Viva's giving us this opportunity to somehow put that stamp of, parang to show yung, katulad nga nasabi mo na Hot Babe has
Seal it.
to seal
Seal the name.
the deal.
Yeah.
So yun. So we're just very happy that we're backed up by our company. As a matter of fact, some of them dapat may movie pa. Medyo napadami lang ng ginagawa, but may mga plans na gano'n. So talagang full force ang Viva sa group namin. So we're very, very happy.